Calculated exchanges, and we calculate exchanges for fruits. We calculated 2 exchanges, for vegetables 3, milk 2, and for starch it comes 12, and protein 4.5, and for fat 4. Now we have to put these exchanges into the diet plan, and in the step we'll learn how to make a diet plan, and we'll put all these exchanges into diet plan. Suppose in the breakfast, I took 2 bread, 1 fried egg, and 1 cup milk. Oh, this is my breakfast, and we have to calculate the exchanges of these foods. 1 bread is 1 exchange, so starch will get starch exchanges in the breakfast. Total starch exchanges comes 2, and 1 egg, 1 whole egg is 1 exchange, and we'll get meat exchange, 1 meat or protein exchange. And we add 1 teaspoon oil in 1 fried egg. So for 1 teaspoon oil, as 1 teaspoon is 1 exchange of oil, so we'll put fat exchange here 1, because we put 1 teaspoon while frying egg, 1 teaspoon oil, and 1 cup milk is 1 exchange. So for milk you will get 1 exchange. So here in this way we'll calculate the exchanges of the food that we are eating throughout the day. In this way, we have to calculate, we have to give all the exchanges into the diet, and we can't exceed from these exchanges. We have, as in the breakfast, I take 2 exchanges of starch and 1 exchange of meat, 1 fat, and 1 milk. So the remaining, in the starch exchange we have to take 12 total exchanges, and the remaining 10 exchanges are left, and we have to fulfill these remaining exchanges in the remaining meals, like in the snack, in the dinner, in the lunch, and in the dinner. And similarly, suppose in the snack you are taking fruit, 1 apple. Suppose in the mid-morning snack you are consuming 1 apple, so 1 fruit exchange. So in the snack we are getting 1 fruit exchange. In this way we'll plan our diet according to our exchanges. We'll put exchanges into our diet plan according to this, and the exchanges that we calculated here, similarly we'll put into the diet plan, and we can do it only if we know the exchange list. And so you can find exchange list in the link below. Go through the exchange list, and you will be able to calculate the exchanges, and you will also able to how to make the diet plan. If you have any question, feel free to ask me in the comment section. Thank you very much, and we'll see you in the next lecture.